Last time we did addition. This time we're switching gears and doing subtraction. This one can be the trickiest because you're having to borrow 2's. But this shouldn't be too difficult. So let's get to it. Make our room here. And we want to subtract 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, minus, and we'll do 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. And now we'll do our subtraction. So 1 minus 0 is going to be 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. And now we come to our 0 minus 1. This is an instance where we'll have to do some carrying. So we're going to... This is going to become a 0, so that gets eliminated. And then this becomes a 2, which then we cross out, and that becomes a 1. And then this line, this number here, becomes our 2. So now we have 2 minus 1, which is naturally going to be 1. And there is our result. You see how it can be a little bit odd, a little bit confusing. Every so often it gives me trouble, personally. But it's not that it's difficult. It's just having to get used to the idea that you are carrying a 2, not a 10. So we're going to do this one more time. Make sure we got it. And we're going to subtract 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Make our line, and we begin doing our solution. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 1. We have to carry. So this 1 becomes a 0, and this becomes a 2. So that is a 2 minus 1, or 1. And now we have another 0 minus 1. So then this becomes our 0. And of course, this also becomes a 2. So now we have 2 minus 1 again. And that 2 minus 1 is going to equal 1 as naturally. 0 minus 1 is 1. And that's it. I almost brought that number down. No, we're done with... Actually, let's double check our work here. So 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 1, we borrow from the next digit over. That becomes a 2. Ah, I see where we went wrong. So now this is a 0. Let's do this again because I screwed up. So we're going to delete all this. We're gonna fix my mistakes here. So 1 minus 0 is 0, or 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1. We borrow from here. This 1 becomes this one becomes a 0. And now this becomes our 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Now we have a 0 minus 1, so we have to borrow. So this is a 0. And now this is a 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And now that's a 0. We just bring it down. And that's a 1. We just bring it on down. Okay. I'm going to leave in that blooper of mine just so you could see how you could end up confusing yourself. So that is going to cover subtraction. Next time we're going to talk about complements. I'm going to explain why they matter. So stay tuned for that.